So what we're going to go through today is, if you were going to learn one skill for GCSE Maths, this is probably the one you want to learn. Alright, so it's a bit tedious to start off with, and at some point you'll probably be able to see what the answer is. However, by learning the steps, it's kind of like a foolproof method of always getting the answer. Alright, so what happens is you write out the statement. So this is the relationship between A and B. And then we know this information, A. And so when you come across it, you write in brackets what you know. And we don't know B, so we're going to keep B the same. So 3, B, we don't know, we keep it the same. Take 2, put in brackets 16 equals 7. All right, so I'm just going to write out the statement again, but I'm just going to multiply out these brackets. 3B take 32 equals 7. Okay, right, now we're in a position where we want the B's on one side and we want all the numbers on the other side. That means we want to get the 32 and put it over to the right hand side. So this is on the left hand side at the moment, and it's 3B take 32. To get rid of the minus 32, what we're going to do is plus 32. But whatever we do to the left hand side, because there's an equals, we need to do to the right hand side as well. Okay, so left hand side, 3B take 32 plus 32, these cancel, so we just have 3B. And on the right hand side we have 7 plus 32, which is 39. Okay, now we have 3B equals 39. So what we want to do is we want to divide by 3. So that gives us B equals 13. All right, so let's check the answer. So 3, 13, take 2, 16 equals 39, take away 32, equals 7, which is what we wanted. Therefore, that's the answer. So the method that I'm talking about is you need to do the same to each side. And by doing that, you undo what's happening to B, slowly, step at a time, and then you find out what the answer is.